Hello 7th standard students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. In the last session we have studied about the medians and altitudes of a triangle. I hope you understand it very well. So in this session we are going to study a new point or a new property of a triangle. So dear student, whatever we are going to study in this session, it is very important in the point of your next 9th and 10th standard. So in this session we are going to study how to prove a given statement, or we have to study here how we can write a justification of any rule. So without wasting our time, we are going to study a new property of a triangle, that is, exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. So look at here dear students, we have to write a justification of this statement. So with the help of this statement, we are going to draw a diagram. As like in the construction topic we have studied, we have to draw a rough diagram of a given construction. As like that, in this, when we are going to write the justification, we have to draw a diagram with the help of a given statement. So what is my statement? An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. So whatever the given statement is related to angles, and angles we can show with the help of triangle. So here we will draw a triangle ABC. But you can see there is a first word is exterior angle. So we have to extend the baseline of a triangle as like this. Up to D we have to extend the line segment BC. So as like that we can draw a diagram with the help of my statement. So what is given in my statement? Given is angle ACD. Look at here, angle ACD is an exterior angle. Why we can say it is an exterior angle? Because this angle shows, look at here, this angle is at the outside part of the triangle. So it is known as an exterior angle of triangle ABC. This is my given. So to show that we have to show an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Whatever we have to prove, it is related to the measurement of angles. So whatever we have to show, we have to write in the mathematical statements by using the proper symbol of measures. So we have to prove that the exterior angle of a triangle. So what is the exterior angle of a triangle? That is ACD. So measurement of angle ACD is equal to, look at here, measurement of angle ACD is equal to the sum of that means this addition sign. It's interior, okay? So what will be the interior angle of this exterior angle? ACD is exterior angle, so its interior angle is ACB. But here it is its interior opposite angles. So it is the nearest angle of this exterior angle. So we want opposite interior angles. So which are the opposite interior angles? These angle A and angle B are interior and opposite to this side of an exterior angle. So we will write here major angle ACD is equal to major angle A plus major angle B. So we have to prove this statement. Okay. So in the last topic we have studied about the different types of angles and their measurements. But there will be the one common points that all the angles are related to their parallel lines. They are formed with the help of parallel lines and its transversal. But you can see this in this diagram, there is no one parallel line to any side of the triangle. So first of all, we have to draw a parallel line. So here we will choose a one line segment or one side of a triangle. So what we have to choose, which side we have to choose here to draw a parallel line? Any side we cannot choose. So look at here, in the given At the right hand side, you can see angle A and angle B. Okay, where are the angle A and angle B? At this side. So we have to draw a parallel line to that side. Okay, now from which point we have to draw it? Okay, so at which point where it is the exterior angle? So you can see this at point C there is an exterior angle. That means we have to draw a parallel line from the point C which is parallel to side AB. So as I said, we can draw here. Look at here. And I can give the name E. So CE is parallel to the line segment AB, and this is the construction that we have to do here to justify the given statement. So we have to draw it right here as a construction. So construction, this word is not in your textbook, okay, but it is very important in the point of your geometry subject which you are going to study in the 10th and 9th and 10th standard. So we will write as a construction that we have drawn here. CE is parallel to line segment AB. This is my construction, and with the help of this construction I am going to prove, or I am going to give the justification of my given statement. Okay, so now step by step we will study. When we are going to write the justification, we have to make two columns, which one column which shows the steps and one column which shows the reason why we have to write these steps. Okay, so you have to make two columns, steps and reason. So one by one we are going to solve, or we are going to give the justification of our statement. Now look at here, what we have to prove, that major angle ACD is equal to major angle A plus major angle B. So where is ACD? First of all, we will think about the left hand side of our given equation. Major angle ACD, look at here. Major angle ACD. How we can form, how it is formed this ACD? Look at here. ACD is formed by ACE and ECD. Okay, so I will give your name X and Y. So this ACD angle formed by X and Y. So I will write here major angle X plus major angle Y. Okay. Now, my second statement is, so first of all we have to write a reason. What we will write here? From given figure. So as like that we can solve this. So my next statement is, now I have to just think about angle A and angle B. Look at here, when I am going to write this way, you can see major angle ACD and this major angle ACD. That means the left hand side of these both statements are same. That means we have to think about the right hand side of the statements. The right hand side of the statement is major angle A plus major angle B, and the right hand side of this statement is major angle X plus major angle Y. That means we have to find the connection between AB and XY. Okay, all four are angles. That means we have to find out the congruency between these four angles. And we know that we can find out this congruency with the help of parallel lines and its transversal. In the last topic, we have studied that when two parallel lines and one transversal is given, we get three types of pairs of angles. The first one is interior angle, which shows their sum of their measurement is 180 degree. But alternate angle and corresponding angle having same measurements. Okay, so with the help of these three types of different angle pairs, now we will find out the relation between AB and XY. Now look at here in this diagram. You can see this A. Okay, so this angle A, you can see this, and the near angle is X. So you can see this angle A and angle X, which forms Z shape. That means it is an alternate angle. So we will write here angle A congruent to major angle x. And what is the reason? These are alternate angle. Okay. So as like that we have find out the relation between A and X. As like that we have to find out the relation between B and Y. Now look at here, angle B. Angle B. This one angle B. And this one angle X. Now you can see these vertices are different and shows the same direction. That means these are corresponding angle. So with the help of this using property, I can write the third step as like this way. Because corresponding having same measurement, so major angle B is equal to major angle Y. And the reason is corresponding angles. Okay, so you can see this instead of major angle X and major angle Y, I can write major angle A and major angle B. So my fourth statement is major angle ACB is equal to, instead of major angle X, I can write major angle A because both are equal in measurements, and instead of major angle Y, I can write major angle B. So as like that, you can see that my statements to show, and whatever I have found out is by justification that both statements are same, and I get this statement with the help of these three statements. So I can write here from 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So dear students, this is very important if they ask to prove that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. For the 3 or 4 marks, you have to write the whole justification as like this. But if they give a sum related to this property, how we can write down the property? It is not necessary to write down the whole statement, whatever which property you have used in while solving that problem. Instead of that, you can write a small name as like this. That is exterior angle property of triangle. So as like this, you can write this word while solving a problem. So how we can use this property while solving a problem? First of all, have you understand this how to write a justification of a given statement? Just recall that the measurement of exterior angle is equal to the sum of its opposite interior angle. Okay, we will recall it again. The measurement of exterior angle is equal to the measurement of sum of opposite interior angle. So watch this video carefully, listen this video carefully again and again until you can understand it very well. So without wasting our time, we will start to solve how we can solve the sums related to this exterior angle property of a triangle. Look at here on this code. We have to find angle x. That means we have to find out the measurement of angle x. Now you can see this triangle having an exterior angle which is measures 110 degrees. So that means we have to use here exterior angle property of a triangle. So we will write here by using exterior angle property of a triangle. So what is the property? The sum of measures of interior opposite angles is equal to the measure of exterior angle. So what is the sum of measures of interior opposite angles and what is the measure of exterior angle? So exterior angle is 110 degrees. will write here 110 degrees Celsius. But before that, we will write here therefore sign, which is very important. And the sum of measures of interior opposite angles. So this one is interior angle, but we have to write down the opposite, that means these two. So we will write here 50 degree plus x. So this is my statement which we have to use to find out the measurement of angle x. So now we will keep the alphabet at one side and the numbers at the another side. So I will keep here x as like this, is equal to 110. Now I have to change the place of 50 degrees Celsius, and while changing its place, its sign will also change. So plus positive 50, that is plus 50 becomes here minus 50. So what will be the value of x? So x is equal to 60 degree. So therefore, in bracket or in box, I can write as like that the x is equal to 60 degree. So as like this, by using the exterior angle property of a triangle, we can find out the interior angles of a triangle and the measure of its exterior angle. So now we will start to solve exercise 6.2. Now we will start to solve exercise 6.2. But students, there are so many sums are in the 6.2. But here I am going to show you only 4 sums, because with the help of these 4 sums you will be able to solve whole exercise 6.2. So without wasting our time, we will start to solve exercise 6.2. Look at here. The first question is find the value of exterior angle x. So whichever exterior angle is there, its value we have to find out that value in the form of by using its property. Okay. So exterior angle is there, that means we have to use exterior angle property. So my first question is, you can see this in this 2 diagram, there are 2 interior angles which they gives us their measurement, that is 30 and 40. So with the help of this 30 degree and 40 degree, we have to find out the value of x. So which property we are going to use here? Exterior angle property of a triangle. So we will write here by using exterior angle property of a triangle. So what is the property of a triangle? Sum of interior opposite angles is equal to this exterior angle. So we will write here sum of interior opposite angles is equal to exterior angle. So what is the exterior angle? It is x. And what are the interior opposite angles? 30 and 40 degrees. So therefore 30 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 70 degree is equal to x. So as like that, we can find out the exterior angle x. So now we will solve another sum which is as like this first one. In this diagram you can see this, we have to find out the value of x, which is the exterior. So here we will use exterior angle property of a triangle. So we will write here by using exterior angle property of triangle. So what is the property? Sum of interior opposite angle, or you can write sum of opposite interior angles also. Okay. Opposite angles is equal to exterior angle. So what is the exterior angle? Is x. And what are the interior opposite angles? 60 degree plus 60 degree, that is 120 degree is equal to x. Is that easy? So as like that, with the help of these two sums, you can solve the question number first in exercise 6.2. Now, the question second is related to find the value of unknown interior angle at x. That means in these sums, they give us a measurement of exterior angles, and with the help of using property, we have to find out one of the interior opposite angles. So look at here, the first question is, the exterior angle is x and 50 degree and the opposite angle is 115 degree. So here we will write by using exterior angle property of triangle. Here we will write sum of interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angle. So what is the sum of interior opposite angles? That is 50 degree plus x, and exterior angle is 115 degree. So by separating the alphabet and numbers, I will write here x is equal to 115 degree minus 50 degree. Already in the simple equation, we have studied how we have to find out the value of an alphabet while solving an equation. So x is equal to this 5 minus 0, 5, and 11 minus 5, we get here 6. So value of x is equal to 65. So now we will solve another second question, which is as like this. Now look at here. You can see this is a right angle triangle. Why it is a right angle triangle? Because you can see this side. It shows it is measures 90 degree. So we have two interior angles which shows the x and 90 degree. And with the help of this, we have to find out the value of x when the exterior angles measures 125 degree. So I will write here by using exterior angle property of triangle. So what is the property? Sum of interior opposite angle is equal to exterior angle. Sum of interior opposite angles, that is x, plus this side shows it is 90 degree, that means 90, and the exterior angle is 125 degree. So x is equal to 125 degree minus 90 degree. Therefore x is equal to, what will be the subtraction? 5 minus 0, 5, and 12 minus 9, it is 3. So what is the value of x? 35 degree. So as like that, you have to solve exercise 6.2 yourself. So don't waste your time and complete your homework. And today's homework is solve exercise 6.2. Till then, have a good day.